alaikum. Welcome to our Mirror Scholars School and College online class. I am Mansur Miss, teacher of Prep 2, and I am taking your religion class. Now, student, in our previous class, we learned about Arabic letter and word making. The previous class we learned about fa, qaf, kaf, 3 Arabic letters. And today we are going to learn the others later. Now everyone look at the board and follow me. Our today's letter is lam. Lam. Next, mim. Mim. Lam. Mim. And the last one is noon. Noon. Lam, mim, noon. Okay, student. So first letter is lam. Again, lam. Next, mim, mim. And the last one is noon. Now I'm again going to write this letter. So please follow how I write it. Lam. Next, mim. And the last letter is noon. Okay. Now we are going to learn how to make words this Arabic letter. Students, get your Arabic book. Our book's name is Teaching of Islam. Now student, open page number 29. In this page we can see the Arabic letter lam, mim, and the next page we can see noon. Okay. Now let's see. Lam is for lahmun. Everyone say lahmun. And lahmun means meat. Lahmun means meat. Now look at the board. This is a meat. So lam for lahmun, and lahmun means meat. Our next letter is mim, and mim is for maun. Maun. And maun means water. Maun means water. And water বলতে আমরা কি জানি? Water বলতে আমরা পানি জানি, যেটা আমাদের জীবন বাঁচানোর জন্য খুবই প্রয়োজনীয়। তাহলে আমি ছবিটা আঁকছি, তোমরা দেখো। Mim for maun. And maun means water. Mim for maun, and maun means water. Our last letter is noon, and noon is for namlatun. Namlatun, and namlatun means ant. Ant, and in Bengali we call it pipra. আমি ছবিটা এঁকে দেখাচ্ছি তোমাদের। So student, what did we learn? L is lam for lahmun, meat, mim for maun, water, and noon is for namlatun. Namlatun means ant. Namlatun means ant. Again, let's revise our previous class. number 28. Fa is for Famun. Fa is for Famun. And Famun means mouth. Famun means mouth. Next, cough. Cough. And cough is for Kubaun. Kubaun. And Kubaun means Cuba musk. Cuba musk. And the last one is cough. Cough. And cough is for Kitabun. Kitabun. And we know Kitabun means book. Kitabun means book. And today we learn about Lam, Mim, Nun. So student, I hope you are doing great. আমাদের এই যে আমরা আজকে ক্লাসে যা পড়েছি এই পড়াগুলো তোমরা অবশ্যই বাসায় মেমোরাইজ করবে, দেন প্র্যাকটিস খাতায় সুন্দর করে লিখে মিসকে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ গ্রুপে সেন্ড করবে। আর তোমাদের যদি কোনো কিছু জানার থাকে অবশ্যই আমাদের মেসেজ করবে। তাহলে মিস আজকের মতো ক্লাস এখানে শেষ করছি। টেক কেয়ার অ্যান্ড গুড বাই।